Hi, all dairy-free lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dairy-free cobbler. So first you are going to take your apple or peach, whichever you have, and you're going to peel it and go ahead and slice your apple. And you can slice your apple however you want or dice it if you want smaller pieces. Now you can put your apple slices into your bowl. And we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. I added 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to stir that up so that it gets all mixed together. And if you want more fruit in your cobbler, you can do more than one apple or one peach. So while we are letting the apples sit for about 5 minutes, we're going to preheat our oven to 350. We're going to place a tablespoon of dairy-free butter into each ramekin. If you use an 8x8 baking dish, then you can put both tablespoons into your 8x8 baking dish. We're going to place our ramekins in the oven while it is preheating. We'll go ahead and make our batter. For the batter, you need 1 cup of sugar. Then you're going to add 1 cup of your dairy-free milk. You can add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is optional, but I find it gives it a little bit better flavor. And then I'm going to whisk that until the sugar dissolves. And now we're going to add 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And since I'm using apples, I am going to add a little bit more cinnamon. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And the cinnamon is optional. Now I'm going to take my whisk and whisk this together until it makes a creamy batter consistency. So now we have our ramekins out of the oven. The butter has melted. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in the batter, and I'm just dividing that between the 2 ramekins. If you use an 8x8 pan, then you can just pour all the batter in the 8x8 pan. And so I'm going to add my fruit to the batter, and I'm going to stir it a little bit just to make sure the fruit is down in the batter. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes. If you use more fruit or a different type of fruit, you may find that you have to cook it longer than 45 minutes, but I would definitely set your timer for 45 minutes and check it at that point. Here we have our finished dairy-free cobbler. For a printable recipe, see the link below. And be sure to like and subscribe so you can get more dairy-free recipes.